Chef Koochooloo is an NSF-funded educational application that teaches kids local and global citizenship, science, math, and healthy eating by walking learners through new international recipes. Lessons start by the students and teachers selecting a new country on the interactive globe and learning about the historical and sociocultural context of that place. Then, students are led through the recipe steps of a dish regional to that part of the world. And finally, students learn about an important social issue relevant to kids in that country and brainstorm new ways to solve that social issue, tracing connections back to their own lives. With exposure to different countries, recipes, cultures, and customs, throughout the application, we strive to promote empathy, tolerance, and inclusion in the classroom and in the world. As a member of the Social Studies Innovation Network, we built the Chef Koochooloo platform and curriculum by leveraging the latest learning sciences research. Studies show that social sciences are best taught in an integrated way that introduces new knowledge in interesting, engaging, and relevant ways to students. We have used this approach to teach social science through introducing new foods, attractive graphics, and mini-games, along with capitalizing on essential life skills. Come join us and explore the world through our interactive and interdisciplinary approach designed to teach all children.